With friends and families getting together for the holidays, there's no better time to spruce up your home entertainment options. There's a lot to be said about ordering in and playing a friendly game without the worries of driving. To get some tips on upping our game, we headed to Fort Worth Billiards, where it's all fun and games. Celebrating over 60 years, voted #1 Brunswick dealer and over 7,000 square feet in showroom, they have the biggest and best in gaming boards, tables, and accessories. Entertain your inner child with eye candy that will have your man cave rolling out good times in style. They even have over 100 bar stools to choose from. From air hockey, billiards, or poker tables, Fort Worth Billiards has a table perfect for everyone in all the hottest names and the best quality. If chess is your game, you won't believe their cool sets. Start this holiday season off with a family-friendly tournament of pool that will keep those good times rolling. With tables starting at just $2,099, there's one for every budget, style, and decor. And don't worry about holiday food around the pool table. You can relax knowing your new table is protected with water-repellent fabrics, so your guests can eat, drink, and be merry with no worries. We chose the Everything Games pros at Fort Worth Billiards for making your entertainment dreams come true for your family and friends this holiday season.